The law of supply and demand is back. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. There are more than 2,000 single-family detached homes for sale in the East Bay during June, a big increase compared with this time last year. More supply brought prices down compared with last June. Even with a lot more choices, compared with last June, there was only a slight increase in the number of homes sold. Let's get local, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Oakland, more than 500 for sale. Union City doubles from 15 to 30 for sale. Prices, very mixed. Albany, Berkeley, Castro Valley down. Fremont, Hayward, and Newark all up. Sales, also mixed. Fremont, even with higher prices, up more than 30%. Oakland, down almost 15%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. El Sobrante and Hercules more than double. Prices mostly down. El Sobrante 736 dropped almost 20%. Sales mixed. Pinole way down while San Pablo up almost 60%. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Martinez and Walnut Creek more than double the number of homes on the market. Prices mixed. Concord and Martinez both down. Walnut Creek up to more than 1.7. Sales mixed. Pleasant Hill up more than 20%. Walnut Creek 39 down more than 25%. Next up, Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda. Homes for sale up everywhere. Moraga 16 on the market. Prices mixed, though all still in the 2 million range. Sales down everywhere. Moraga 9 sold. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Pleasanton 85 and San Ramon 51. Prices mostly up. Pleasanton more than 1.8 up 10%. Sales mixed. Alamo down 35%. Pleasanton 53 sold up more than 25%. We're in the Delta and then we're done. Homes for sale up. Antioch 143, Brentwood 153. Prices mixed. Discovery Bay more than 822 up. Pittsburgh 585-ish down 5%. Sales mostly down. Pittsburgh 32 sold down 30%. Last thought. More choices gave buyers a little breathing room. Days on market increased from 15 days during May to 18 days during June. We'll see you next month.